Great buildings don't rise by chance. They rise because a foreman turns drawings into disciplined action, one day at a time. What is the role of a foreman in construction? Number one is site supervision, where they do direct daily works, they allocate tasks, and they monitor productivity. Number two is workforce management, where they lead artisans, train workers, and maintain discipline. Number three is quality control. They ensure compliance with drawings, inspect workmanship, and correct defects. Number four is health and safety. They enforce PPE under this, conduct toolbox talks, and report hazards. Number five is material management. Here they receive materials, they control usage and reduce wastage. Number six is equipment oversight, where they coordinate tools and plant and monitor maintenance. Number seven is coordination, where they liaise with consultants and subcontractors and communicate site issues. Then we have progress monitoring, where they track program and report delays. We have number nine is documentation, where they maintain site diary, record labor, materials, and incidents. Number 10 is construction administration, where they interpret drawings and implement instructions. Number 11 is problem solving, where they resolve site challenges and manage conflicts. Number 12 is environmental management. They maintain cleanliness and manage wastes. Number 13 is project handover, where they assist in snagging and support final inspections. Then we have leadership, where they motivate teams and promote professionalism. Then we have the core responsibilities of the foreman, that is to deliver safe, quality work on time and within resources. I'm architect Oliver Oduor, and this is client education on the role of the foreman in construction. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.